So Ishawna have dropped Equal Rights Part 2 and it's titled Eat It. She says she name Ishawna. Eat It. Jackson. All of who bex, all of who boss. Now me will drop the preview of the song right now. Ishawna now ramp with the road, okay? She's capitalizing off of what made her the person she is in dancehall right now. So everybody will have nothing good to say about her, have something bad to say about what she chooses to do and how she chooses to use controversy, like this whole thing with Miss Lou and the whole equal rights video. All of who wanna have nothing good to say about her, she's capitalizing off of you, making that bread, making that money. Every time you listen to her song, another check hit her bank account. You can't even fault the girl. The girl is doing her thing. She have a picnic feed. She says she's touring, not whoring. And I have to big her up for that. She's one of these dancehall artists that I feel is very underrated, and me want to see Ishawna win. So no matter what she put out, I'm here for it, supporting it and bigging her up, because she always talk about the woman them and what the woman them supposed to do. So big up to Ishawna, and yes, I want you to drop the full song and a video to match. Okay, mad all I haters them, and keep marching to your own beat of your own drum where they beat, my girl. Do your thing. And I also want my audience to tell me what you guys think of this song, and if you want to hear the full version of it, go on her Instagram and comment under the preview that she posted on her Instagram at Miss Legendary on Instagram. So big up yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this girl right here on YouTube. I'm up out of here. Deuces.
Man, and them I eat.